Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you something about Wilson Pro Staff version 13, 315 grams. You know, we are not born like Roger Federer, but at least we have the privilege to play with his racket. I have bought this racket yesterday, and today is my very first day of hitting with the Pro Staff. And the very first impressions are it's a very steady racket. You have to have a little bit of patience with this racket. Let the racket do the talking. Very early in my knocks today, I was trying to do a lot with the racket. Most of it was excitement, and some of it could be my previous impression of my previous racket. But as I realized that this racket was doing most of the stuff on its own, and I just had to take a good swing and a proper swing at the ball, and it would sort the shot automatically on its own. And then I slowly and steadily started doing it, and you can see the results here. They're pretty good. I was hitting the ball clean after some point of time. I would rather say it's my first day. It will take at least 3 to 4 days for me to get habitual. The gentleman whom I'm playing against is a national player and has played national level tournaments. He hits pretty strong, and I had never been able to, return to his shots earlier. But today it was a different case. I was able to hit to his forehand properly. I was returning almost all his heavy shots properly. So I'm gonna put a detailed review very soon of Pro Staff version 13. This is my first day. I was shanking a lot of balls because I used to play with E-Zone 98 before. It had a isometric shape, and this is but obviously a different shape than that. And it's a new racket, heavier racket. It's more headlight than E-Zone 98, but obviously I was not able to control the ball very well. My very first impressions are this racket has got a lot of things going for itself. I mean, I need not to worry too much about heavy balls now. If the ball is coming with too much of penetration or topspin, earlier I used to, hit it out of the park. But this time around with Pro Staff, very first day, I was hitting a lot of ball inside, and I think this is a very bad miss. I was not able to sort out my backhand with the Pro Staff. So continuing with our point, this racket is pretty stable. As I said, you have to let Pro Staff do the talking and just make sure that you swing properly. One thing is pretty sure that this will make sure that I reach the ball on time. My footwork is alright. I reach the ball on time and I take the proper swing. I mean, it is not that powerful as my E-Zone, but yeah, it has got good power. In case you can generate your own power, this will support you. Otherwise, you won't feel that much of power with the shot. I have heard and read a lot of reviews that this racket does not support too much of topspin. I mean, I would not buy that point. I am majorly a baseline player who plays mostly with topspin in my forehand. At least my backhand is a little flat, but my forehand has got good topspin, and I was using it amply. And I mean, you have to use the racket to its optimum capability, and this racket has got good capacity to topspin and a flat shot. One thing I realized while playing with this racket, every ball which I was finishing, I mean the finishing shot was awesome. I have never ever hit that shot in my life which I could hit with the first few minutes with this racket. I mean, you can finish the ball like a pro. If you get a good ball, a short ball, and a high ball, you can really finish it properly. I mean, you can see the stroke here, it is pretty heavy. The guy who's playing against me is, see, this is the way you can finish the ball. I have never ever hit stroke like this in my life. I mean, the direction could be good, but this stroke was pretty heavy and very strong. And I hope you have enjoyed this, and I'll come back to you. Thank you.